I want to use this video to clear up a myth. This is not a Hippo. A lot of people refer to the Freelander 2 and call it a Hippo. And to be fair, it's your car, you can call it whatever you like. But if you're calling it a Hippo because that's what you've heard through the grapevine that Freelander 2s are referred to as Hippos, then I'm here to clear that myth up. These are not Hippos. Like, if you're calling it a Hippo, you're basically calling it an early Freelander 1. Which it obviously isn't in any way, shape or form, apart from, I think there's like one item in this car, which is somewhere in the boot, I think it is, that has come from the Freelander 1 into the Freelander 2, but it's like a bolt or securing hook or something like that. Really insignificant. But yes, the Hippos are technically the first version, like the pre-facelift Freelander 1 from what the research that I've done. You can use it for all Freelander 1s, I guess, because I'm going to say that the pre-facelift doesn't look that much different to the post-facelift. No doubt I'm going to get shot down from that from Freelander 1 enthusiasts that say, yes, it's massively different. It's a bit like the pre and post-facelifted Freelander 2s, that I'd personally be saying there's a big difference between the two Freelanders. The Freelander 1, the pre-facelift version in particular, is called the Hippo. The reason for that is that people kind of looked at the front of the car with the way that the mirrors were, and it kind of, they ended up leaning into this analogy that it looked like a hippo when it was in the water, with the ears being the mirrors and like its stout front end looking like the nose of a hippo, to the point where Land Rover actually leaned into this and produced like a marketing campaign, or at least a picture that they released with a couple of hippos in the water with a Freelander 1 behind. But yeah, I thought I'd take this opportunity to clear that up. And also, while I'm here, I just want to, I know I've said this recently, but I want to clear something else up, so bear with me while I relocate the camera. You can't really see this because it's in shade, but this is a TD4, right? Exclude that last part, the .E, don't worry about that. This is a TD4, right? It's got an uppercase D here, and like I say, I know I've said this before, but this is my personal bugbear. T, D, uppercase, like both uppercase, like T and D. Freelander 1s, you'll get an uppercase T, but a lowercase d. That's what they use to differentiate. If you didn't know from the back of it, for example, that a Freelander 1 looks like a Freelander 1 from the back, you know, in case you look and go, I'm not sure if the back of that looks like a Freelander 1 or Freelander 2. So just to make it super, super obvious, Land Rover put a lowercase d on Freelander 1s. Us guys, we got the big D. So I'm saying, so yeah, if you end up writing this on Facebooks or groups or anything like that, just remember, as a Freelander 2 owner, take this, run with it. We have the big D. They don't. They have the little d, the really little non-capitalized D. This big D. So yeah, if you follow these videos, no doubt, just for a laugh, a load of people are now going to put in the comment section of this video, like, T, lowercase d. I know when I did this before, a lot of people, I know who you are out there, decided to write things like T, and then they wrote lowercase, like the word lowercase d. Things like that, yeah. Stressed me right out, it did. Done my head in. Still not got over the trauma of that, and no doubt it's going to happen all over again. But yeah, there's a couple of things for you to clear up, that if you follow these videos, you're going to be the ones that know now. You're not going to look a little bit silly. And yeah, even our good friend Ben, Greg's Ben, yeah, he didn't know about the little d, big D, and he'd been using the little d when he could have been using a big D. Leaving it there. Anyway, thank you very much for watching this video. I apologise for the state of these videos. They're getting worse. All I'm going to say is, if you want to see another video like this, click up here, subscribe to the channel, click down there. Thank you to our Buy Us a Coffee people that have brought us a cup of tea or cup of coffee. Really helps the channel push forward, and also to our YouTube members that get to see these videos early. So thank you very much. Well, I don't know why you'd want to see this video early, to be fair. It's not the greatest video in the world, is it? Apologies, but that's what you get for being a YouTube member, and you would have seen this probably weeks early before everyone else. But anyway, thanks everyone. Catch you in the next video.